Welcome to the Porsche brand store, the perfect place to dive deeper into the world of Porsche. Surrounded by iconic design, cutting-edge technology, you can feel the spirit of the brand at every level. That's why this is the ideal setting to introduce the new Porsche La Marzocco espresso machine. Just like our vehicles, this machine combines performance, design, and engineering excellence. In this space, where attention to detail meets luxury, we'll walk you through the setup. Just like building a Porsche, making the perfect espresso requires skilled craftsmanship. Let's get started. Start by filling the machine with water. Be sure to use water that meets our specifications. Check the manual for details. Next, turn on the power switch. You'll notice the red and blue lights flashing. This means the machine is going through the startup process. Flip the pedal to the brewing position. You see water start to flow through the brew pad. Let the water run until it automatically stops. Once the startup process is complete and both lights are solid, you're ready to brew espresso. Keep an eye on the lights. The blue light will blink when it's time to add water, and the red light will blink while the machine heats up. Now for the exciting part, brewing your first espresso. It's a big milestone, and while it might get a bit messy, don't worry, it's all part of the process. How to make a perfect espresso shot? Start by choosing your basket. Use a 14-gram basket for an Italian-style espresso, or a 17-gram basket for a more modern espresso. Measure the right amount of coffee grounds for your chosen basket. Temp the coffee evenly and firmly. This helps ensure an even extraction. Watch the espresso shot. It should start to drip slowly. This is a good indication that your grind size is on point. Aim to stop the espresso shot within 25 to 35 seconds. Your final shot should be about double the weight of the coffee grounds you put in. Enjoy the process. Don't fret if things aren't perfect right away. Practice makes perfect, and your journey to espresso perfection has just begun. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing!